Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your hotel collection scent diffuser is turned on but not releasing any fragrance, it can be confusing because everything looks normal from the outside. You may see the power light on, but no scent is coming out at all. This usually means the oil is not flowing properly inside the diffuser system. In many cases, the problem is not with the machine itself, but with the oil bottle connection, airflow path, or a small blockage inside the unit. Since these diffusers work using precise air pressure and oil flow, even a minor issue like a loose bottle or clogged nozzle can stop the scent completely. It is important to check each part carefully instead of assuming the diffuser is damaged. So, in this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a hotel collection diffuser when the oil is not dispensing. Try these. 1. Safely turn off the hotel collection diffuser and unplug it from power. 2. Remove the oil bottle from the hotel collection diffuser and check its level. 3. Reinstall the oil bottle securely into the hotel collection diffuser. 4. Clean the nozzle of the hotel collection diffuser to remove blockage. 5. Adjust the settings on the hotel collection diffuser to a higher level. 6. Turn on the hotel collection diffuser again and check if oil starts dispensing.